Laser therapy is changing the way a lot of healthcare providers are treating their patients, and it's especially helpful for sinus conditions. This video is for you if you're having to take over-the-counter medications almost daily or just putting up with chronic sinus problems. Hi, I'm Dr. Miguel Cruz, and I've been practicing in natural health care since 1981, and I've seen a lot of things come and go in those years. But laser therapy has been the game changer in our practice and for our patients. In this video, I'm going to be specifically discussing the benefits of laser therapy for acute and chronic sinus conditions.
Hi, I'm Lisa Cruz. Today we're going to talk about how laser therapy is going to be treating sinus problems, acute and chronic. I'm a health coach and head laser therapist here at Cruz Life Center, so let's get started. So, today we're going to be talking about how the red light, the BioFlex laser therapy, is going to help you with sinus problems. You can see the red light here. It's got 180 diodes, and I'm going to just demonstrate exactly how we can place this directly over your upper sinuses, helping with that sinus pain and sinus pressure. It can also be placed over the lower sinuses, It can also be wrapped around to focus specifically on the lymph nodes if they're swollen. And last but not least, many times people are actually having sinus headaches, and it can be placed right on the back of the head to help with the sinus headaches. So as we're looking at the red light there, those 180 diodes is going to be helping you with pain, inflammation, helping you to breathe easier, and also improving your happy endorphins, the feel-good neurotransmitters. It's amazing. The next portion of your treatment here at Cruz Life Center with the BioFlex laser treatment will be the infrared. I'm going to click it on and just show you. Right here is the infrared. We can see that. It's not visible with the eye, but you can see it with the camera or here on the video. The infrared is actually going to be going deeper. It's a stronger treatment, and it's really working to resolve the inflammatory process there in your sinus. The red light probe here, which is the deepest and the strongest portion of the treatment, very pinpoint. Now, the BioFlex laser is completely safe and non-invasive. However, when you're doing the probe, you do need to wear the glasses. So I will be putting on the glasses to demonstrate this portion of the treatment. One of the most common areas of pain or sensitivities is right over the sinuses, the eyebrows you're going to see that we're going to be treating. You're going to hold this for 5 to 10 seconds to get the deepest penetration and to get the full effect of the laser. Another area that's very common for pain and pressure is the lower sinuses, right below the cheekbone, and we can go right along there and hold it for 5 to 10 seconds.
While laser therapy is an excellent treatment of choice, realistically, if you want to get long-lasting or permanent relief, we need to look a little deeper. One of the recommendations we offer is looking at your dietary considerations. There's testing for food sensitivities or food allergies. We have a whole nother video that talks a little bit more about that. Another treatment we offer is looking at cranial bone issues. Using my friend here is for a demonstration. The cranial bones can be injured from falls, injuries, blows to the face that we've had throughout our lifetime. A lot of people have chronic problems ever since that. So there's treatments available for that. I'll have a demonstration of that coming up in just a minute. And then lastly, there's chiropractic. Chiropractic itself is capable of eliminating a lot of sinus issues. That's what got me in chiropractic in the first place. I had chronic sinus problems the medical profession was not able to help me with, and by seeing a chiropractor and looking at some dietary considerations, I totally eliminated my sinus issues, and that's why I'm here today. I'm going to demonstrate a facial adjustment over the sinuses. This helps to relieve pressure of the sinuses. It's very effective. Just about everybody has it done or come back and have it done again because it relieves pressure, at least temporarily to begin with, and then after you've done it a few times, they find that it helps them to get rid of chronic sinus problems. So what I'm doing here is actually just feeling for areas of inflammation, and when somebody's having an active sinus infection or just inflammation, they're going to be puffy. A lot of times you can actually see it on their faces. Not always, but with a good trained hand you can usually feel it. Definitely feel some on Lisa's right side here. So, and it's just a matter of putting some pressure, some gentle pressure. Can be uncomfortable for some people, so always ask if it's too hard, just let me know and I'll let off some of the pressure. Generally hold it for about 10 seconds and then move on to a different spot. And that's it.